Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today, Apple has released AirPods 2. A lot of people are actually calling them AirPods 1.5 because people still believe that a better series of AirPods is going to be coming later in 2019, maybe September-ish, with the new iPhones, or maybe even later in 2020. But for right now, Apple has released an updated set of AirPods with a better chip, which gives you faster connections, faster switching between devices, better battery life, Hey Siri functionality, and one of the biggest things they also did was added a wireless charging case. So there's actually three options for the AirPods now when you pick them up. You can get the AirPods with the wireless charging case. You can get the AirPods with the regular charging case like they had for the first generation that you just plug in with a lightning cable. Or if you have the first generation AirPods and you don't want to upgrade your AirPods to the second generation, you can actually get a wireless charging case on its own, and you can use this with the first and second generation AirPods. So you can either have a spare case or you can upgrade your current case for your first generation AirPods for $79. The AirPods with charging case will run you $159 just like the first generation. These are second generation AirPods just without the wireless charging. And then they also have the AirPods with the wireless charging case, which will run you $199. So if you pick this up together, you save a little bit of money, as if you bought them, or if you bought them for the $159 and the $79, you're going to pay more than if you pick them up for the $199 together. So definitely get the wireless charging case if you have the first generation and don't want to spend the money to upgrade. If you do want to upgrade your AirPods, I would definitely go with the one with the charging case. I have a third-party charging case on my first-generation AirPods, and it is really convenient just to be able to plop them on a wireless charger and charge them and pick them up and grab them and go. You don't have to fumble with your cables. If you have something like the Galaxy S10 and you happen to use AirPods, you can charge them on the back because they work with any Qi-compatible charger. Hopefully we'll see AirPower next so we can use them with that, but no mention of it. Hopefully we do hear something in the next couple days or maybe at the event on the 25th, but we will see. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below.